Here's some small items I found at thrift stores. This little bucket, it's metal, has a handle. It's a pretty good size for my action figures. Apparently it was 2 for $1 and a super sticky sticker. I'm gonna have to use something to remove that later. But it's a pretty nice size bucket. Could come in handy. I thought this was pretty cool. It's a little box of Band-Aids. It's actually just a little block of wood, and it has a sticker on it. That gives me some ideas. It's a little interesting toy. It appears to be one of those holographic type of things. But I like the shape, and if I paint it a different color and remove that little weird holographic sticker thing, maybe it could be some sort of little computer screen or radio. Thought this was cool. It's a little pot. It's kind of under scale, but it might work as a little camping pot or something for my G.I. Joes. Doesn't another little neat thing to add to a campsite. Here is another cool little thing that could be added to a scene. Just a simple little glass bowl. It's made out of plastic. That's pretty neat. I like things like this. Little ketchup bottle. This would be cool to add to that little Barbie barbecue set that I got. These are kind of cool, and these have been around for quite some time. They used to be like little party favors. They make neat little drinks for your G.I. Joes. So it's always nice to find them when you can. This is one of those little small items that it's always cool to find, because they're kind of hard to come by sometimes. These are actually metal spoons, little metal spoons. And they're perfect scale for my G.I. Joes. I like them. This is kind of a funny find. It's a little rolling pin. I don't know what I'm going to use it for, but it's pretty cool. I got these in some game pieces I got in a bag. They almost look like some sort of little vessel or maybe even a club. Who knows? I think they'd look cool as some sort of bottle or something. These are cool little wooden jars or little wooden pots. This one is painted to look ceramic. I think they'd look cool in like a little archaeological dig. Here's one that's unpainted. But these make neat little like tribal pots or something. Just something cool. These are little wooden like flower pots. I guess you could paint them terracotta to make them look like flower pots. What's cool is they stack together too. You could put several of them together. But you know, they're just big enough to make cool little cups. Paint them red with a little white rim. I think that'd look cool. These are small little wooden spools. I think they'd look cool in the background or something. I thought they were cool. I picked this bag up for like 25 cents. It's wooden miniature mason jars. There's a UPC code if you need it. They might be too small to pass as mason jars, but they're big enough to pass as a medicine jar. Paint it and add a little label, and it could be in a first aid kit. I think that'd be pretty cool. This is another bag of those Linwood things. It's miniature bowls, 25 cents. There's a UPC code if it helps you any. And they're actually little wooden bowls. I thought they were pretty cool. You add that spoon, and you're almost set up for another scene. I thought these were neat. It's a great find. This is a larger set of those Linwood packages. I got this for 10 cents actually. Kind of weird. It's larger bowls, but it cost me less. And there's only 2 pieces in this. But they're pretty cool. I think they'd be a nice addition to a scene. Make a nice little diorama. A little extra in the diorama. Pretty good sized bowls too. Anyways, that's all I have for you. Thanks for checking these little finds out with me. I like to group them together, show you what I found. Click that like button and subscribe and share this video. It really helps my channel out. I'm coming close to 500 subscribers, so if you're not subscribed, please help me by subscribing. I'd really appreciate it. Don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. I'll see you in the next video.